Now practice few more examples. First of all, what have you analyzed? That the first thing you notice that there are many terms in the numerator, whereas exactly there is one term in the denominator. So in such cases, what you have to do, with every numerator, you write the denominator term. And with every term, you have to write the denominator. It means, first of all, you will write here 2x cubed divided by x to the power 5 minus 4x divided by x to the power 5, and similarly 6 divided by x to the power 5. You only have segregated the numerators with the denominators term. Now the second thing what you have to do, you have to write them in one single power. It means you can notice that their base is same, means both are the x. So you can use the property of the exponent, that upper power minus lower power, and write it in the basic normal way. So you will write the function 2 constant as it is, x to the power 3 minus 5, because up minus down. So 3 minus 5 gives you negative 2, minus 4 x to the power 1 minus 5 gives you negative 4, plus 6. Now here there is no x, so just bring the denominator in the top and change the sign of the denominator's exponent. Now you are ready to take the entire derivatives. So what you have to do, apply the power rule and add 1 in each and every power. So write the 2 as it is. X to the power negative 2 plus 1 gives you negative 1. Whatever you write in the power, you have to divide with the same number. Negative 4 x to the power negative 4 plus 1 gives you negative 3, and divide by negative 3 means the same number, plus 6x negative 5 plus 1 gives you negative 4, and write the negative 4 in the denominator. Never ever forget to write the constant of integration. Now simplify it and write your answer. So 2 divided by negative 1 gives you negative 2. X has a negative power, so again bring it down to change it and make it as a positive power. So x to the power 1. Negative 4 divided by negative 3 gives you 4 over 3. Bring the x power negative 3 down to make it positive x cube. Plus 6 divided by negative 4 gives you minus 3 over 2. Bring the power down to make it x to the power 4, means a positive power. And that is your answer. Now solve another question in which you know that there are many terms in the numerator, whereas exactly one term in the denominator. But before writing it, you also know that the square root x can be written as x to the power half, and write the denominator as it is, minus x to the power. I told you before also that if some power is inside and something is outside, so always we write in over out. So it means you will write here 2 over 3 and divided by x square and dx. Now write it in a single, with a single base and one power. So half, you can see here, half minus 2 will gives you x to the power negative 3 over 2. Negative x to the power 2 over 3. 2 over 3 minus 2, it will gives you negative 4 over 3. And then dx, write it down as it is. Now our normal formula, that means which every power we add 1. So x to the power negative 3 by 2 plus 1, it will gives you negative 1 over 2. Whatever we write up, we have to divide it with the same number, minus x negative 4 by 3 plus 1, it will gives you minus 1 over 3, and divide it with minus 1 over 3 and then plus c. Now just simplify it. 1 divided by negative half gives you negative 2. X has a negative power of half, so bring it also down to make the power positive. It means x to the power half. Now negative 1, because here nothing, so 1. Negative 1 divided by negative 1 over 3 gives you positive 3. Bring x to the power negative 1 over 3 down and make it as a positive 1 over 3 power, and that's it, plus c. Now let's try the last question to finish our today's lesson. There are many terms, and with every term obviously we will write the denominator. So what we will write? We will write 2x cubed divided by x square minus x square divided by x square plus 6 divided by x square and dx. We all know that when the two bases are same, we have to apply the property of exponent. How? Upper by making the subtraction of the powers. So 2 as it is, x to the power 3 minus 2 gives you 1, minus, now x square and x square, they are same, so they cancel. So left nothing, so left 1, actually 1, nothing means 1, plus 6. Now x power 2 is down, but in order to integrate it, we have to bring it up first and change the sign, and now apply the power rules, sum and difference rules, and the constant rule. So 2, now we will not write the integration sign. Here we have 2 x to the power 1 plus 1 gives you 2 divided by 2, minus, here there is no x, so we will add the x, plus 6 x to the power negative 2 plus 1 gives you negative 1, and divide it with the same number, plus c. Now we have one negative power, so we will bring it down to make it positive. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, so x square, minus 1x means x, plus 6 divided by negative 1, so it gives you minus 6 divided by negative power, bring it down to make it positive, and plus c. Hope you understood this question. So practice, better to practice such kind of question as much as possible to clear all kind of doubts. And if you want to study some more things, send me the questions so that I can make the video and will explain you more. Thank you very much.